U.S. President Donald Trump has never been one to shy away from expressing his opinions. His latest target? Elon Musk and Tesla's potential move to manufacture electric vehicles in India. Trump, in his signature bombastic style, labeled the move as very unfair to American workers and detrimental to U.S. economic interests. He argued that Tesla's decision was driven by a desire to circumvent high import tariffs imposed by India on foreign car manufacturers. Trump's comments highlight his long-standing protectionist stance and his America First agenda. He has consistently criticized countries like India and China for what he perceives as unfair trade practices. High import tariffs have been a particular point of contention for Trump, who believes they disadvantage American companies and workers. This is not the first time Trump has locked horns with India over trade issues. During his first presidency, Trump and Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi engaged in a series of trade disputes, with both sides imposing retaliatory tariffs on each other's goods. The two leaders ultimately failed to reach a comprehensive trade deal, leaving the relationship strained. Trump's latest outburst underscores the ongoing tensions between the U.S. and India on trade matters. His comments also raise questions about the future of U.S.-India relations in a world where economic competition is intensifying. India, with its burgeoning middle class and growing appetite for personal mobility, presents an undeniably attractive market for electric vehicle manufacturers like Tesla. The Indian government, recognizing the potential of the EV sector, has implemented a series of policies to incentivize both domestic production and adoption of electric vehicles. Central to India's EV strategy is its new electric vehicle policy. This policy aims to attract global car makers by offering significant reductions in import taxes. Companies like Tesla, willing to invest at least $500 million in establishing local manufacturing facilities, stand to benefit from a reduced import duty of 15%. This new policy is a clear signal of India's ambition to become a global hub for electric vehicle manufacturing. The reduced import duties are intended to incentivize foreign companies to set up shop in India, bringing with them investment, technology, and jobs. The Indian government's focus on electric mobility is driven by a multitude of factors. These include concerns about air pollution, dependence on fossil fuels, and the need to create a domestic manufacturing base for this rapidly growing sector. Tesla's foray into India has been a long and winding road, marked by both anticipation and frustration. The company has been eyeing the Indian market for several years now, enticed by its sheer size and growth potential. However, high import duties have proved to be a major stumbling block for Tesla, making its cars prohibitively expensive for Indian consumers. Undeterred, Tesla has been actively lobbying the Indian government to lower import tariffs on electric vehicles. Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, has been particularly vocal in his criticism of India's high import duties, arguing that they make it nearly impossible for Tesla to compete in the market. Musk's efforts to engage with the Indian government appear to be bearing fruit. During Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's recent visit to the United States, Musk met with Modi to discuss a range of issues, including Tesla's entry into the Indian market. While details of the meeting remain private, it is clear that both sides are keen to find a way forward. In anticipation of a breakthrough, Tesla has already begun laying the groundwork for its Indian operations. The company has reportedly finalized plans to open showrooms in major cities like New Delhi and Mumbai. Tesla has also begun recruiting for various roles in India, signaling its serious intent to establish a significant presence in the country. The ongoing saga of Tesla's entry into India is about much more than just cars. It highlights the complexities and opportunities that define the U.S.-India trade relationship in the 21st century. On the one hand, both countries are economic powerhouses with a shared interest in promoting trade and investment. On the other hand, they also face challenges related to market access, tariffs, and protectionist policies. Trump's criticism of Tesla's India plans, while perhaps unsurprising, does little to advance a constructive dialogue between the two countries. Instead of resorting to protectionist rhetoric, the U.S. and India would be better served by working together to address their trade differences and create a level playing field for their respective companies. The electric vehicle sector, with its potential for growth and innovation, could serve as a catalyst for strengthening U.S.-India trade ties. Both countries have a vested interest in promoting the adoption of electric vehicles, both domestically and globally. By collaborating in areas like technology development, manufacturing, and infrastructure, the U.S. and India can leverage their respective strengths to become leaders in the global EV revolution. The outcome of Tesla's Indian adventure remains uncertain. However, one thing is clear: the company's experience will have far-reaching implications for the U.S.-India trade relationship and the global electric vehicle market. What do y'all think? Should Tesla stay put in the U.S. or spread its wings? Drop a comment and hit that subscribe button for more hot takes.